Hey guys, what's up and welcome back to my channel. I know it's been a minute guys, but here I am making another wig tutorial for you guys. And of course you're gonna be needing a few things. So the first thing that you need is a wig, of course. So I'm gonna be using this wig by Darling. It's called Royal Opal, however you wanna call it. So the second thing that you need is a wig cap. We need a hair glue, we need a razor comb, and we need a paper bag. So the reason why I'm using a paper bag, for those who are wondering, is because I do not want the glue to stick onto the mannequin head. So whatever I'm doing here is very important. Watch it very closely because I'm gonna be repeating the same process towards the rest of the wig making process. Yeah, so I'm gonna be placing the glue onto the wefts of the weave, or rather of that particular piece of the weave. And once that is done, I'm going to be placing that particular piece of the weave directly onto the mannequin head. So at this point I'm just holding the hair for a few minutes to let the glue air dry, and I'm also going to be pressing the hair onto the wig cap, rather onto the mannequin head, so that the hair doesn't move around. Because if you don't press it, or rather if you don't let the glue air dry, of course it will start moving around, and if you start moving around, of course it will start falling off because you're using a glue, you're not sewing the hair. So I'm going to be repeating the same process towards the rest of the hair. And if you have like a blow dry, then you can use it here to to blow the glue so that it can be able to get dry. I hope I'm making sense. So I'm going to let you watch and enjoy this video. It's very simple and it's very easy. So I forgot to mention, but this hair comes with two different lengths. That is a shorter length and a longer length. So as you saw, I used the shorter length at the back of the wig, and I'm going to be using the longer length from the middle to the front section of the wig. So I'm going to be going around the wig with the longer section of the wig, like. So once the wig making process is completed, the next step is to start trimming the hair, and you can trim the hair to your liking. But this was a very bad decision, guys. Don't use a razor comb, because this wasn't working for me, because I spent 2 hours just trimming the hair. So just use scissors if you have scissors. Yeah, so I'm going to be trimming the hair to my liking. You can trim the hair to your liking. You don't have to do it like me. So this is it for this video, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much for subscribing, for liking, for doing the most. I mean, guys, you have no idea how happy I am when you watch my video, when you comment, when you like, when you do all those good stuff. Thank you so much, guys. So if you're watching this video and you have not yet subscribed to my channel, what are you waiting for? Please make sure you subscribe. Please make sure you turn on your post notifications so that you're notified every time I upload a video. Until next time, guys. Bye.